language immersion schools in the Dallas-Fort Worth area for school-age children. Let's do it. Hello everyone, I am Martin Tataje of the multilingual Tataje Group with Engel and Volkers, serving your real estate needs anywhere in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Well, if you're looking for your child or children to learn French and add a possible third language like Spanish or Mandarin, there's a Dallas International School for pre-kindergarten through 12th grade. While students are immersion taught in French and English from pre-kindergarten through the 12th grade, they also have the option to add a third language, either Spanish or Mandarin Chinese. The Dallas International School belongs to the Mission Laïque Française, which means French lay or secular mission. This is a nonprofit organization that works to spread the French language and culture by running schools outside of France. This is a network of over 70 schools around the world. In addition, the Dallas International School is a member of the Association of French Schools in America, or AFSA, all of which use a curriculum structured and accredited by the French Ministry of Education. Thus, students can move easily from one AFSA school to another, which is over 45 schools across the US and Canada, or to any of the other over 400 schools worldwide that follow the French national curriculum. This can be an important advantage for families that move or travel frequently. This school has two campuses within 8 miles of each other in Dallas, one for lower grades and the other for the upper grades. The directors of the two campuses are from France. At the lower campus, students from age 2 to kindergarten learn handwriting and vocabulary both in English and French. In addition, they study Spanish or Mandarin 1 day per week. Starting in the 1st grade through the 9th grade, students choose the percentage of language immersion they will have based on whether they will study only French as a foreign language, or French and Spanish, or French and Mandarin. At the high school level, they can choose to have classes 100% English or 100% in French, or again at different percentages if they wish to have either Spanish or Mandarin as a third language. The Dallas International School has after-school programs for arts and athletics and belongs to the Texas Association of Private and Parochial Schools, TAPS, which enables students to compete against a large network of other schools in athletic competitions, arts, academic, and speech contests. This is a private school, and the tuition is $24,000 for the 12th grade and $20,000 for the 5th grade. The number of students is about 700. Now let's go to German. If you want your student to learn German, there is the German International School of Dallas, which is the only daily German immersion program in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. And it covers preschool through the 4th grade. Classes are indeed taught in German. The preschool program starts at age 18 months and has a teacher-student ratio of 1:8. Teachers have said that when a preschooler comes knowing no German, it only takes them a couple of months for them to start communicating in German. Grades kindergarten through 4th has a student ratio of 1:10. The German International School of Dallas believes in educational benefits of learning from one another. Therefore, they teach a multi-age class of combined grades. The school believes that combined kindergarten, lower elementary class with mixed age students offers the students the opportunity to continue the school's strong focus on individual learning needs and learning with both older and younger classmates. The curriculum used for kindergarten and 1st through 4th grade both come from Bavaria in Germany. The maximum number of students is 130, and this is a private school, so tuition is under $12,000 for the year with 2 payment plans. Now, if you're interested in Mandarin Chinese and Spanish, then we have the International Leadership School of Texas. This is a free public charter school with many locations throughout Texas. A charter school is a special kind of public school with freedoms to do certain things such as choosing their own curriculum. Now, This school started in 2013 with 2,500 students. Today, it has opened several campuses to serve North, Central, and South Texas. A student can live anywhere in DFW and still attend any of the international leadership schools of Texas. In 2014, it was approved as a student exchange program to host international students on F1 visas, and students began to live on campus. In 2016, it was allowed to hire language instructors on J1 visas. The mission of this school is to prepare students for exceptional leadership roles in the international community by emphasizing leadership, mastering the English, Spanish, and Chinese languages, and strengthening the mind, body, and character. High school students will receive a college preparatory program. They can graduate high school with a 2-year associate degree if they choose to, at the same time that they receive their high school diploma. The U.S. News and World Report announced its high school rankings in April of 2020, and the International Leadership School of Texas in Garland is among the top tier. Garland High School ranked in the top 6% of all high schools. It ranked 1,042 out of 17,792 schools. And it ranked in the top 2% of all high schools for college readiness, that is 363 out of 17,792 schools. In the elementary years, students have 2 teachers in their class, one that teaches only in Spanish and one that teaches only in English. A 3rd teacher comes in and gives some teaching in Mandarin Chinese, and in the junior high and high school years, they have classes dedicated to both Mandarin, Chinese, and Spanish, and students must test in both languages. Now, for Spanish-only immersion, we have the Selwyn School. They have a preschool program starting at age 3 and Spanish immersion classes for kindergarten through the 12th grade. For grades kindergarten through the 8th grade, Spanish is required twice a week. And for grades 9 through 12, Spanish is required for a minimum of 3 years, 1 period per day. This school has what they call a Perspectives Travel program, where elementary school children will travel within DFW. Middle school children will travel outside of DFW, but still within Texas, and the high school students will travel to another state. In years past, high school students have gone internationally. They do accept international students from around the world and have a total capacity of about 100 students. This is a private school with a tuition of $21,330 for the highest grade offered. Another school for Spanish-only immersion is the Spanish World School. This school has an immersion program for children starting as young as 3 months to the 5th grade. 100% Spanish language is used for preschoolers, 75% Spanish and 25% English starting in kindergarten, and down to 50% Spanish to 50% English by the time they get to the 5th grade. They do have 4 campuses. 2 campuses for preschoolers, 1 campus for elementary age school children, and a 4th campus where they have Spanish classes for adults starting at 18 years of age. This school does not offer a middle school or high school option. This is a private school with monthly tuition of $1,145 on a 10-month schedule. And again, this is for elementary school children. If you have any questions about any of these schools or anything to do with real estate in the DFW area, please feel free to contact me. Thanks so much for watching.